In this video I'm going to give you the answer for this question, and the question is, if London Bridge were really falling down, into which river would it land? Well, I'll give you the answer for this question, and now that I'll show you the correct answer and a bit more explanation about that. And here's the correct answer for the question. The correct answer for the question is Thames, and here is a bit more information about the answer. London Bridge, spanning the River Thames in central London, is a basic box girder bridge constructed from concrete and steel, initially erected by the Romans around 2000 years ago. The bridge has undergone several iterations over time. The current structure, unveiled in 1973, replaced the 19th century stone bridge that gained notoriety for being sold and transplanted to Lake Havasu City, Arizona. The origins of the nursery rhyme depicting the collapse of London Bridge remain unclear, with some speculating it may allude to a devastating Viking incursion in 1014. So that is correct answer for the question. Thames, that's correct answer for the question. Hi, thank you so much for watching this video. If you find this video is very useful, you can help this channel to grow by subscribing this channel. Please this subscribe button and don't forget to like this video. And if you find this video is not really good, or you don't really like this video, or you kind of feel that it's a little bit offensive or something like that, you can click this one, dislike button. You can do that anyway. And if you want to share this video with your friend, you can share it by clicking this share button, and you can share it to any social media that you wish that is currently available at this time, like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and many others, right? And if you want to add this video to your playlist, you can click this one. You can watch this video later, and you can find more options by clicking these three dots. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe. I think that's all of it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and see you again in another video. Bye bye. See you again.